Hello guys, my name is Vivid Code, and in today's video I'll be teaching you on how you can make an e-commerce website where you can upload your products and sell. So you don't have to have any knowledge of programming, because I believe that even a little child can do this. So I'll be explaining on how you can make this site without writing any line of programming code. So in this video, you'll not be using WordPress. I'll be showing you how you can do this in less than 30 minutes. So without wasting your time, let me just jump in and show you how you can make such an e-commerce website. So I would like it if you can just subscribe and like my YouTube channel to get more videos like this. So as you can see, I will take you to a preview of this website before I show you on how you can make this. So as you can see, this is an e-commerce store. It's an e-commerce store that has different products. So this is an e-commerce store. You can see all of the different products, wonderful, with the UI interface which looks so amazing. So this is the admin end of the e-commerce website. This is the admin end. So from the admin end, you can go ahead and upload your own products. So you can go ahead and see all of the products on the front end. So you just come over here and click all products. Then you can see these are all of the products. These are all of the products then. So you can go ahead and delete any of the products you want to delete, and you can go ahead and edit any of these products. You can also go ahead and add your own product. Just go here and click add products, then let it load. So it has so many interesting features. It has so many interesting features. My network over here is not that strong, so just bear with me. So as you can see, it has so many features. So you can also edit these home pages. You can also edit this content, these names, this you can edit this, change all of this to whatever you like from the admin end of this website. You can also edit all of this content. You can edit all of this content from the admin end. Okay, edit all of this from the admin end. You can edit the footer page from the admin end. So this is it. So you can see, so I go over to add products, then you can see it's showing me if I want to upload a physical product, a digital product, a lessons product, on an affiliate product. So I will just be going for add a physical product. Now just let it load. Okay, yeah, this is it now. So I can go ahead and put my product name, put my product price, and upload the features of my product. So after I'm done with this, I can also add the description for my product. So in the description will go here, you can add a short description, long description. You can also put all of that. Then when you're done, you can just click save. You can just click save. So I'll be going to a fast preview for this, so I won't waste your time. Then if you want to edit the home pages, if you want to edit this front end like your footer pages and all of the rest, if you want to edit it, you can also move over to site management, and to show you all of the if you show you the home page, you see you can edit the home page. You can change the, let me just show you how to do that. So if I just click home page now, will take me over here. So you see, you can change this image. You can change this image in the home page. You can change this image to whatever you want. You can also change this from the slider. But you can. Okay, I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. This went to a new. Let me just bring it back here. Okay, you see. Okay, you can also change this image. You see, you can edit all of this. This watch title. This 50% watch. I can just say. Let me just change this to vivid code, for example, vivid code, so you can just see it yourself. Then I can just click save. So if I refresh this page now, so you see this have changed to vivid code. So you can go ahead and change all of this. You can change these images to your own images, these slide images. You can change them to your images, change these 7% off writings to your own images. You can also change this All of this can be changed to whatever you like. Then you can go ahead and remove all of these products and add your own product as you wish. So clients can come and buy a product from your website, then you can ship it to them. You can ship the product to them. So look at, so all the orders on your website will be shown. If you come to all orders, if you come to all orders and click, you will see those that paid in your website. You can see their shipping details. If you just click this view icon here, you see, you can see the shipping details. So this guy paid for this product. You can see his billing address. He has paid. So you can, so you can now ship the goods to your client. So this website use a payment system gateways. It has different types of payment system gateways, which I will just take you through right now. It has different type of system payment gateways. Let me just show you where that is. Let me just show you where that is. Okay. Let me just show you where that is. It has different payment gateways. Okay, this is it already. So if you come to e-commerce, you will see it. You can also set the shipping fee from here. You can add a coupon code for your client from here. You can set the tax. You can set the currency. So you can say, if you don't want to use dollar as your currency, if you don't want to use dollar as your currency, you can go ahead and change this currency to naira if you're in Nigeria, and to whatever currency you like. So you can go ahead and you see there are different currencies. You can also go ahead and add your own currency if your own currency is not listed here. That you can see for the um for the payment method. If you just click payment, you will see all of the payment method. It has different payment methods, so you can go ahead and make your choice. So the payment method is used for where as an admin of the website, where you will receive your payments when somebody buy a product from you on this website. So you have to set this before using this website. So you can see it uses cash on delivery service. So if you want your clients to pay, if you want your clients to pay you when the product is delivered to them, you can also keep this on. So this is active, and just press confirm. Then we have bank transfer, we have Paystack, we have Flutterwave. So if you're using Paystack, you can just go ahead and click Paystack. So this is Paystack. You can go ahead and input your Paystack name, your Paystack API key to activate this. For your payment method. So when clients them are buying a goods, the money will be going directly to you. So I will not be explaining too much about this. So I won't waste time on this video. I will just take you through on how you can set up a site like this. How you can set up a site like this. So let's do this. So right now you can go ahead and buy a domain and hosting. You can go ahead and buy a domain and hosting. I will refer you to this site. Their domain is about 4,800 naira. This is mybundlehost.com.ng. So you can go ahead and register on this site and buy a domain and a hosting from this website. You can go ahead and buy a domain and the hosting. And the hosting is as low as 800 naira per month. So I would advise you to go ahead to this site and buy a domain and a hosting from here. So after you've got your domain and your hosting, then you can now come over to your cPanel. You can now come over to your cPanel. After you've gone to your cPanel, you just come over here and click File Manager. File Manager. So this is my file manager. So this is the file manager. So I'll be installing this script in a subdomain which I created. So this is my subdomain, invest.ferracard.com. But if you want to install this script on your domain, then you have to install it in this place called public.html. It's the same procedure you will follow, but I will install the script on my subdomain. So I will install the script on invest.ferracard.com. So I will just be clearing this. I will be clearing this. So let me delete this. So as you can see, if I refresh this site, this will give me error. I've deleted this site. So let's reinstall it back again. Let me show you how I go forward with this. So if you just click upload, click select. then you can come over and upload the script. You can come over and upload the script. So I'll be sharing this script with you after this video. I'll be sharing this script with you after this video. I'll be giving you this script for just 30,000 naira if you're in Nigeria, and if you're in the US, I'll be giving you this script for just $70. So this is the script. So you can just go ahead and just upload the script. This might take some time. This might take some time. Okay. Let me just cancel this. Please just bear with me. Let me just cancel this. Let me just cancel this. So let's refresh this page. So I said we'll be installing this script on our subdomain called invest.ferracard.com. That's where we'll be installing this script. So let's just go to the script. So this is the script on my system. This is the script on my system. So I will just go ahead and extract the script first on my system. So just do exactly what you see me do. Just do exactly what you see me do when you've purchased the script. Okay, then you can just go ahead. So this is it. You can just go ahead and open this. So if I open this, so this is what we'll be uploading on our C panel. So let's go over to our C panel. Then we can click upload. Then we'll come over here to select. Okay, then we just come scroll to the file that we extracted. We scroll to the file that we extracted. Let's just find, okay, this is the file we extracted. We just come here. Then this is installable. So this installable folder, that's what we will be uploading on our C panel. So we just click that. As you can see now, you can see it's a little bit faster than before. It's faster than before. So this will just take up to 1 or 2 minutes for this file to be uploaded on your C panel. Okay, let's just give it some few time. So you can also do as well as fast forwarding this video. You can do as well as fast forwarding the video. Okay, yes, now, okay, yeah. So the installation has been completed. So when you see this green, just know that the installation has been completed. So you can just go back, click go back now. Let's go back to our file manager. So, so this is the zip folder we just installed, and we can go ahead and extract it. Just click the extract button and just wait for a few minutes. So I've extracted the file. So I've started the file. You can go ahead and just delete this. You can go ahead and delete that zip folder. It should not be needed. Then let's just open this installable file. Then you can go ahead and select all and click this move. Then we have to move them to our subdomain. So let's just go ahead and remove this installable this thing. Leave it like this. So this is our subdomain name. So moving this file to our subdomain. So it has been moved to our subdomain. If you're using your domain, you do the same thing you see me do. So the file has been moved to our subdomain. So this is the file, it has moved to our subdomain. Then what we'll go ahead now, we can just go ahead and delete this folder. This folder now has been empty. Let's go ahead and delete this installable folder. Then we can just come over, okay, come over here to installer, click installer. Okay, okay, let's just go back. Let's just go back. Sorry, let's just go back. So we have done that. So let us go ahead and copy our domain name. Okay, let us go ahead and copy our subdomain name. So we just come over here. This is our subdomain name, and refresh this page. It will take you to the setup page. So just put the name here in our browser. Okay, yeah, it's in our browser right now. So just click this. You just click this. Just click this. Okay, now we have to approve all of this. We have to approve all of this. We have to set permission for all of this. So frameworks, all of this. So I will show you how to do this right now. So let's show me how to do this right now. So we go to storage and frameworks. So we come over to our file. We go over to core. So we just go over to we click storage, we click frameworks, then we come over here, change permission, and we click this, we activate this, and we say change permission. So if you just come over here and refresh this page, you see this has been active. So we have storage and logs. We come over to logs, we change permission. It has been activated. So we go out to bootstrap and catch. Bootstrap and catch. So we just have to go back. This is bootstrap. This is the cache. We just come over here and we do this. We do this. So if you just refresh here again, you see this will be go to asset and images. Then we come over to we come over back asset and images. Just click here. Assets. We click asset now. We come over, we click images. Asset and sitemaps. We come over here. We do this. Asset and files. Okay, then the next one, asset and languages. Asset and languages. Okay, assets. Okay, resources and languages. So we just go over, we just go back. Resources and languages. Resources. Okay, and this language is should set permission here. Okay, that have been done. So we can just go ahead and shift over to the next part. I go ahead and shift over to the next part. So we can just go ahead here and put vividcode@gmail.com. And the username, you can go ahead and use vividcode1234. Then the passcode, you can go ahead and do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. So you can just go ahead and just use this. Okay, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. So you can go ahead and do the same thing you see me do. Then you can just click verify. So for our app name, let me call this store Vivid Code Store. Or let me just call this Vivid Code. Then for our app URL, we'll just come over here and copy our site domain name or subdomain name, whatever one you are using. Then you come over here, just put localhost. Then we have to create a database username and password. So how we're going to do that? Let's go to our cPanel. Go over to my SQL database. So you can just put whatever name you like here. Put whatever name you like to put there. Come over here and just put whatever thing you want to put here. Come over here to generate. Copy this password. Paste. I have this password. Use. Then just click create database. Okay, so we have come here, just click all privileges. You have to come over here, paste this, click next step. Okay, sorry. So wait for the database to be created. So you have successfully, so our database have been created. So we come over here now, database name, we copy the database name, then username, we copy the username, password, we copy the password. Then okay, you can see application key set successfully. So this app, so the site has been successfully installed. So you can just go ahead and click exit. Click exit. As you can see, we now have our website. As you can see, we now have our e-commerce website. We now have our e-commerce website. So this is it. So as I said, I'll be selling this script for just 30,000 naira, and if in the US, I'll give you this script for just $70. So this is it. So just go ahead, like my video, and subscribe to my channel to get this script. So I will leave my phone number below. If you want to get this script, you can